Hi everybody, this is Sarah from Twisted Pine Farm. I'm here today to talk about 5 things that you should know before you get pigs. So we got pigs strictly to breed pigs and sell the babies. I have no interest in raising pigs for meat. Even though we do eat meat here at our house, I do not want to be a part of the process involved. To be honest with you, a lot of the people are actually taking our pigs as pets. Our pigs are a mini pig breed. They are Kuni Kuni, Juliana, and Potbelly mix. They will be roughly 150 to 200 pounds when they're fully grown. Farm pigs, however, get to be upwards of 700 pounds. So if you are looking for a pig and you have a small family, even if you are looking for a pet or meat, a mini pig breed may be a good idea to start off with. I find them to be quite friendly. They come when they're called and they aren't aggressive. You have to check your local bylaw to make sure that you can have pigs in your area. Even though you may be in a rural zone, it still may be illegal to keep pigs on your property. Do your research before bringing a pig into your area. Number 1, pigs need to have 25% of their diet to be vegetables. So you need to be prepared to provide 25% of their diet to be vegetables in combination with pellets. There is a really great resource you can contact called Loop Resources here in Canada, but it is basically a program in which you as a farmer can pick up free produce that is unsellable from the grocery store and feed it to your animals. I'll put the link down below for you. Another thing you should look into is that pigs are omnivores. They do eat meat and vegetables. You need to look into your local laws to check if it is legal to feed your pigs meat before you do it. Number 2, pigs only really sell in the springtime. I made a mistake of letting my male and my females together during the summer, and one of them had babies in the fall, mid-October. At 8 weeks old, they were weaned and ready for their new homes. However, I had a very hard time selling them because it was off season. By the time they were ready to go, it was basically Christmas time. I did get an influx of messages around Christmas time as Christmas presents for people. However, nobody really followed through, and I had to keep the piglets until spring. I ended up selling them at a discounted rate because I just wanted them to go. I had another litter on the way. Going to be breeding pigs for selling, you need to decide whether or not those pigs are going to be for meat or for pets. I have noticed a lot of people in my area do not want mini pigs, they want big farm pigs. Number 3, pigs require a special vet. You need to make sure that your area has a vet that can take care of pigs. For my location, there is only one farm vet in the area, and they are very difficult to come by. If you are looking for a call out, which is when the vet comes to your farm, you need to be prepared to pay an extra fee for them to do that, and I think you're looking at a couple $100 just for them to come here. Number 4, pigs are actually really great at cleaning up after the other animals on your farm. I keep my pigs with chickens and goats. It sounds really gross, but what they do is eat the manure from the chickens, which helps them and also helps you because there's less cleanup. Chickens do not have a very good digestive system. Sometimes farmers will intentionally feed chicken poop to their pigs. Number 5, when a pig has a litter and they're pregnant, it is 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days gestation period. You need to be prepared to feed your mama pig 3 or more times the amount of food that they would be eating if they weren't lactating. You have to consider that your mama is feeding upwards of 6 piglets. She's going to need that extra boost. I have actually had to pull the mama pig from her litter a week early because I felt that her body condition was not the greatest, even considering that I had tripled or quadrupled her feed rations. When your pig does have her babies are ready to be weaned between 6 and 8 weeks old, so that means that you need to have an area to put your babies and put your mums separately. So you need to do what's best for your pigs and your piglets. Number 6, this is a bonus. I wanted to throw this in because when you're getting pigs, you should be aware that pigs are social animals and they prefer to be with their own kind. This means that when you are buying your pigs, you should probably get more than one because they need a buddy. In the wintertime, pigs like to cuddle up with one another to keep warm, and they're also very social and like to play. So whether you are getting a pig as a pet or for food, you should probably get more than one. Okay guys, I think that's everything for me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found something useful out of it. This has just been my experience from my first year of raising and selling pigs, and a few mistakes that I made that hopefully you will not make because you watched my video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me out a lot. Let's face it, I got a lot of people to feed here. If you have any suggestions for some content that you'd like to see, please comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Shut up. Jeez. Why is everything so noisy? I have some power tool going, I have a rooster behind me, I have something screaming over here. Gotta be up all in my business. Trying to do things. Um... Why are you right here? Can't you go over that way? You are obnoxious. Oh, pigs will eat hay. You're a pig. Number 4.